DataOrb started with a very simple idea. What we realized is that no employee goes to work to screw up their customers. And so we identified that gap is the context.
What is working and not working in their product? What are the most common complaints people are showing, or what are the common things they are appreciating?
The customer context is stuck in emails and chat and conversations. Let's say a single telco on large scale, let's say if they have 30 million customers, you're looking at about 200,000 hours of audio data. The problem is most people don't write CSAT and NPS, only 0.00 some percentage. And that based on that data, you're asking them to make a decision. It's completely meaningless because those things are broken. There is no humanly possible way that you can analyze this data. And so the idea was that if we can unlock that context and give it to every individual, whether they are sales, marketing, product, design, we can empower them, enable them to act in a way which delivers that customer empathy.
The product philosophy of DataOrb is heavily driven by simplicity. It is driven by insights first.
And so for us, the transformation is all about compressing the feedback. Speed to insight, insight to action, action to transformation.
Since DataOrb is having a strong AI backend, and there are many ways the technology is surfaced into the experience.
For us, the key thing was that how do we make AI accountable from the user's experience point of view?
So design was a bridge between technical complexity and human understanding in this scenario.
We don't think AI as an engineering problem. We think AI is an experience problem.
So when we started working on DataOrb, we got a user feedback. The platform was too data heavy.
There were different data sets across different domains. We had to streamline all of this and combine them, tie them together for users and business.
So we made it a goal to ensure that the data that is there, it's supported with a few informed decisions that the AI will be taking in future.
One thing needs to be visible to all the users that are attached, right? There are agents, there are managers, there are team leads. Everyone should have the visibility over here. So connecting dots to each of these user journeys and building an ecosystem of a customer engagement hub was one of the challenges.
We are constantly zooming into a problem and zooming out and looking at the big picture.
And within DataOrb also there are certain modules where it's AI heavy, like there's voice interaction, there's chatbot interaction as well. So we have to leverage a lot of these things while designing for AI.
It's more about going from AI for just analytics to AI for collaboration for the users.
For example, you want to understand the sentiment of a conversation. It appears at the right place where you are trying to read the conversation and get an insight from it, and then you just get that little detail in that context. It's not floating around everywhere.
So now it is more about building trust, transparency, getting more clarity for the users and simplifying the complex tasks so that they now know why they are acting upon a certain thing in a certain way.
So there are many nuances where progressive disclosure is used and smaller information pieces brought in by AI are surfaced in the right place at the right time.
We are the most open system in the market. And that's how the skeptics became the, raving fans.
Localization is also one of the aspects that we are currently focusing on. Different languages from Urdu to English to Spanish.
I was on a call with one of the prospects that English is not their first language. All this said, your user experience, very good.
Aubergine's partnership with DataOrb is very synergistic. Both teams work as one team.
Where I see Aubergine being super helpful is that you reduce the number of blind spots that you're likely to have. And so for us, it was an obvious choice.
And it's been 4+ years now since we are working with him in the design of DataOrb.
Aubergine for us has been one of the best partners, the best investments that I've made in my life and has paid dividends.
We take care of translating the vision to reality, and then together we build this product, give it life and bring it out there into the world.